Where's Han?
Han? Han go to fix the job and come back.
Where?
Maybe only 4 vinyl. A little bit.
For why not?
Yeah. He fix and he come back. We still work here.
You don't need the plywood?
Uh-huh.
Why I buy the plywood?
What?
I buy plywood.
You what?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, bring this one, not good this one.
Oh man, I don't know.
He told me to bring one. No, this is not good. This is good?
Yes. Okay.
He's
Yên ơi. Yên.
You know, I can buy one, I buy one. Take out this one. This is okay. Yeah? Put new piece there. It's okay?
It's okay.
This is baseboard, not good. I need a baseboard. You need a baseboard.
Huh.
I buy the plywood.
That's good enough now. That's fine, you don't need it.
Why are you going to buy? He told me to go buy one.
But they said now it's good. You don't need it. That's fine, you know. Put more now strong. Put in more.
This baseboard is okay?
That's fine. Listen. Screw down strong. Return it. You want to take it out and put the money in? You don't need it. You need to go with that.
Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
And
So put some more screw. You know.
screw.
Put some more.
No, I know, but even I'm selling, I want to do it good.
Yeah, it's good. Nothing. Yeah. You put some more from here.
Yes.
This area. Here now. 10 weeks and a half. Yeah.
Mom is not coming?
No.
We have another job?
It's go around.
Where's he go?
Put some more from there.
Girlfriend?
No. Working. How you are now?
I have like small job. And one, I have a big job, one big job. This summer,
Right.
August.
Oh.
This year is
Wow. Nobody.
6 months.
Nobody have job. So anyway.
After 6 months, I got one
Không
bathroom.
phải phát đây. Đó. Để phát không lưng được.
After 6 months, I work
Oh.
one bathroom. We do.
Oh.
Han came yesterday.
Oh. Okay.
We did one. I have small.
Oh, small job. Okay, my friend. Oh, small.
I know I want to finish this bathroom and have it sell by. I want to. This is what June, right?
Oh. How much do you think this one?
July 15. I have to finish everything.
How much do you think this one? Now.
It's too low.